right, if you have a valley on a metal roof, one of the most difficult parts to make it leak proof. And here's what I did. What I did was I cleaned all the paint off, like this stuff. I took it all off of the metal here, and where it went over the valley. And I took off the tar all the way to the metal here. So my transition is going to be now to the metal all the way. See, water would come in underneath there and go underneath this valley. And the wind is blowing. After a few days, maybe a month later, and it works good. No more leaks. We did it with Turbo Polyseal. Look at it. Unbelievable. We cleaned everything, got to the bare metal here, and then we put Turbo Polyseal on the whole thing. And that's what it looks like a month later. To do this valley. That's what it looks like after it cures many, this is like 5 years later. All right? Very, very, very nice. And it doesn't go bad, okay?